You're cooking dinner. You burn the sauce. And your first reaction tells you everything about your mindset. Most people, they slam the pan down. I can't do anything right. That feeling stays with them the whole night. They eat dinner annoyed. They go to bed irritated. One burnt sauce ruined their entire evening. But some people, they just make another batch. Not because they don't care, because they already know. One bad moment doesn't have to control everything that comes after. That's the psychology behind a strong mindset. And it shows up everywhere if you pay attention. Think about your morning commute. Someone cuts you off in traffic. Do you spend the next 20 minutes replaying it in your head, arriving at work already angry before your day even started? Or do you let it go? Because you already know that person isn't worth stealing your entire morning. Now think about something bigger. You're at work. Your boss cancels your project in front of everyone. That stings. That actually hurts. And here's where it gets interesting. The weak mindset doesn't just feel the pain. It records it. It saves that moment and replays it every time something else goes wrong. See, this is proof that I'll never be good enough. One moment becomes the story of your entire life. The strong mindset, it feels the exact same pain, but it doesn't let that moment write the whole story. It hurts. Okay, it happened. Fine. Now what's next? See the pattern here? It's not about being unaffected by things. It's not about pretending everything is fine. It's about how much space you let these moments take up in your head. The burnt sauce doesn't become your whole night. The bad driver doesn't become your whole morning. The canceled project doesn't become proof that you're a failure. And here's the part that actually builds it. It's not something you can force overnight. It's something that happens slowly. Every single time you choose not to let a small moment become a big one. Every time you burn something in the kitchen and just try again. Every time someone says something rude to you at the grocery store and you walk away without carrying it home. Every time something doesn't go your way and you still show up the next day like nothing happened. That's where it builds. Not in some dramatic moment. In the quiet ones. The ones where nobody's watching. The ones where you just don't let it win. A strong mindset isn't about who has fewer problems. It's about who lets their problems take up less space. That's the real difference. And the good news? That's something anyone can build, one small moment at a time. If this hit different, share it. Hit subscribe for more. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.